Wandering Souls is nothing but plain riding. Wandering Souls is a get-together of people who are like-minded.
The name itself is very nice, Wandering Souls, because that's what I do. I travel a lot on bike, backpacking, trekking, and you could say that the essence of having a soul is to wander. So that's why it should be a wandering soul.
All of a sudden, one day, I discovered my soul when I saw some people riding together on this Western Express Highway in a group together. And then I realized probably this is what I was missing till date.
You don't ride as particularly in something where you ride as a passion. It's not riding in terms of rules and regulations which are all set in place. So that was something good about it. I enjoyed that. And a good chill out session after the ride was over.
Wandering Souls are people who don't discriminate. They are from the same thinking. They are from the same intellectual levels. That is what Wandering Souls is.
Dude, don't worry, you'll get there.
Sundays were the days to look for. Wait for the time when probably we'll get together and we'll have good time together. Go out, have fun, and have fun without taking even a drop of beer or any liquor.
हाँ कहाँ पे हो आ रहे हो ना
It's an escape from living in the city and getting out, and it's an extension of sometimes of your personality, and you want to go out and you want to explore and you want to see things, and so you ride and you leave.
Very good. I'm also wandering soul. I'll also come along with you. I generally steer clear of clubs and politics and stuff. So the main thing which I like about wandering soul is that there's no politics. It's just chill, ride, and party.
The best part of it is the age group. Some people are as young as 18 years. Some are as old as probably 65 around. It's great fun to ride with all of them together.
I can say that we've grown. We've grown like big time. And I'm not talking about numbers. I'm talking about the emotional connect which we increased between our riders. We are a very small team. We are maybe 30-40 people. That's it. But these 30-40 people will always be there. Come what may.
Suddenly you see a beautiful spot in the middle of the road, and for no, he'll just pull over, he'll just stand and he'll like, I actually go pull over and ask him, what happened? Dude, enjoy the beauty. You should see this scenery. This guy is like a perpetual motion machine.
I remember my first long ride to Mahabaleshwar where it rained all the way, and then when we reached Mahabaleshwar, that was a time where everybody was in the top of their moods and everybody was on the top of their adrenalines which have been pumping through their body. And those 2 days we relaxed, we went around, we got drenched, and but we clicked miles. We added miles and miles to our odometer, and there it was fun. 7 people who started 9th of March 2013. This group has evolved from being a rebel from where it started to becoming a social community of like-minded souls together. riding towards a known destination and sometimes known as well. So, Wandering Souls is not only about riding together, but Wandering Souls is also about having fun together, enjoying with close friends, de-stressing, and that passion still continues. Now we are closer friends. So riding together is something which is about Wandering Souls.
You know, everybody says that riding a motorcycle is dangerous and never something that only crazy people do. When you go for a long ride and you ride with Wandering Souls, it's a different feeling when you're with a group and a group of great people that make you feel very welcoming, and you're yourself. You don't have to pretend to be anybody with Wandering Souls.